Hello and welcome to another quick video on Yusuf Onabekun channel. So I want to talk about the Meta Business Suite, how to link your Facebook page to your Instagram, or how to link your Instagram directly to it. Now when you log into your Facebook account and you go to any of your pages, you'll see Meta Business Suite. When you click on it, you will land on this home page, which looks something like this. As you can see, the name of the page and the likes and every other details on it. Now to link the page to your Instagram account, when you click on create posts, you can easily connect your Instagram account by clicking on connect Instagram. Note that if this page is already connected to Instagram, you will find it difficult to connect to it. So the best thing is, make sure you've not already linked your page to any Instagram accounts. Like this place is blank, the way it is blank like this. So you'll be able to come here, you click on connect your Instagram account, and it will prompt you to log into an Instagram account to use. So let's do that while it's loaded up. So it has loaded up, so just click on connect accounts, click on continue, and we simply log into the Instagram account we want to link it to. Now we click on this and it will automatically link up with this page. Sometimes it might load up and tell you error in business or something. It's taking a while to load up. Yeah, it's something like this. Don't bother yourself, it has already connected. Just reload that page and you will easily see that your Facebook has successfully linked up with your Instagram account. So when you come here, all you need to do is just reload this page. As you can see, everything done, and this is going to load up your Instagram account, whereby you can schedule, plan, even spy on your competitor to know when the best time for you to post on any of the pages is. Now this is one method. Now when you, let's disconnect this page from this account, from this. So we've disconnected. So when we disconnect now, we are not meant to see that it has disconnected. So when we reload this, we are not meant to see any accounts here. As you can see, we are not. But when you go to your Instagram account, this is one of my accounts, though I don't know if my other account has this. I just logged in now for this video that I was about doing, and I saw that there's an icon of open business suite, which is you can use your Instagram to just log into the business suite directly. As you can see, log in with Instagram. But the disadvantage of this, from what I've seen so far, is you cannot link from your Instagram to your Facebook. You can only just use the Instagram directly, which will also enable you to schedule posts, spy on your audience, know when the best time your audience is, and know when the most activity on your account always happen. So now it's going to load up, and I can tell you this is one of the best, most recent updates that Meta, since that's what Facebook is bearing now, has ever done for small businesses. So when you do this, you have all the details here. I don't know if you can advertise directly, but now when you decide to click on posts, unlike when we use the Facebook page version, you saw we had options, but for this Instagram version, you see there's no way for you, even when you choose no Facebook account, connect your Facebook account to have your post appear. So now when you click on planner, So you can easily schedule your post for your Instagram account. As you can see, you can schedule. So now we would, let's see, as you can see, there is no, you just have to go back, and I would encourage you to just use your Facebook page compared to your Instagram. Thank you, and see you in the next video.